Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Kia Picanto GT line. Now, of course, you do get the brilliant red accents on the front bumper, just to give the car a nice sporty feel. You then get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear, we have sufficient space inside of the tailgate, as you can see in here. It is more of a city hatch, just for pottering around, doing small little trips to and from. Then coming around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. And of course these are a 16-inch alloy as well. You get black leather interior with your red GT line stitching, full electric windows all round. Into the front we have a 5-speed manual gearbox. We've then got your air conditioning controls in the middle. We then have your radio as well. So as you can see, you have FM, AM, FM2, and then on your media, you will be able to get Bluetooth audio. You then also have Bluetooth hands-free as well, which as you can see is controlled on the steering wheel just here. Your volume, track select, mute, and source. Over to the right, you have your onboard computer control, so you can cycle through the options in there. You've got automatic headlights. And as you can see, this car has done 36,000 miles. Coming back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Picanto, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.